I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mini. So from any screen, you can either click telephone there you go, and you've got Bluetooth menu, or you can click menu, navigate to telephone and click select. There it's come up, the menu, Bluetooth device at the bottom. If it's not on that, select Bluetooth devices, click OK. You've got add new device or the phone you want to delete. Select the phone you want to delete, which in this case is my phone, Barry's iPhone. Now, it's on the dual display, so if we click once, it takes it over to the split screen content, and at the moment it's got your directions on. If it's on anything other than the phone, click it again, and there you go, you've got the other options, you've got the Bluetooth options and everything. So here, if we go down to remove device, select remove device, that's it, that's my phone gone. Not straightforward, depending on which screens you've got. If you've got the ordinary screen up on the right hand side, it is straightforward. If you've not, it's not, but that's how to do it, if that makes any sense.